Morning students, welcome to our maths class. We were in the chapter multiplication, exercise 6.3 in the page number 82. Let us see question number 4. They said one information in its heading. All of you look at that question 4. Using 346 into 4 is equal to 1384. Find the products for the following sums. So we have to use the knowledge of this they said, and we can do this part they said. Let us see first one. 346 into 40. They only said use this knowledge to get this product. So that knowledge only we are using here. Here question is written. This last 0 is written here 0. 346 into 4, answer is 1384, that is given already there in the question. 1384 they have given, that is written here, and that 0 last what is given there, that was placed here. Finally we got an answer called 13,840. It remains the answer for the given question. The same way we will see second bit. 346 into 41 we have to multiply. Same question is written, but here one table we have to use to write it. 1 into 6 is 6 only. 1 into 4 is 4. 1 into 3 is 3 only. But here 4 is there to multiply. As they have given here 346 into 4, answer is 1384. Directly we can write 1384 in the second row, because 346 4 is that much only. We have got information from the given question. Every time we are multiplying with the fourth table, 4 6 are 24, like that. We need not multiply here. Directly 1384 I have written from the given source only. Okay, now? So now directly adding the things. 6 is written. 4 and 4 addition is 8. Okay. 3 and 8 addition is 11. Then 3 and 1 addition 4, and that 1 is taken. Then answer is 14,186. 14,186. Then see that fourth bit in the same model of doing other sums. We will continue now. Third sum with 39 given, we have to multiply directly like an ordinary multiplication only. Otherwise we cannot get answer in this procedure. You can do that part of it. Directly we have to multiply like ordinary multiplication. Fourth and fifth are same like previous only. Let us complete how to do that part. Now fourth question is given, that is written. Here 2 zeros are there. These 2 zeros I have written here 2 zeros. 346 4s are 1384 as the number given in the heading. So 1,38,400, that remains the answer. In the same way fifth bit also, because question is given like this. Here how many zeros are given? 3 zeros. So those 3 zeros I have written first 3 zeros. Then 346 into 4 gives you 1384 only. Directly I have written 1384, and those 3 zeros dropped. Finally we got 13,84,000 will be the answer for the product. So with the help of the knowledge given in the heading only, we have used and we have got it. Am I correct, students? So this is the procedure, we can do that. I hope all these are very clear to you. Then we will go for a verbal sum in the same page, page number 82, sum number 5. See once all of you, monthly fee of one student. There is a school, it seems, that students' monthly fees to be paid to the school is 225 rupees. monthly fee of one student is equal to 225 rupees. Then he said us to find monthly fees of 625 students of the same school. One student fees is given as 225 rupees. Then 625 students should be paid in the same manner. Then what is the total fee collection of that month? He asked. That is with multiplication only, no students, because one student should be paid 225 rupees. Then for 625 children means 625 should be multiplied with 225 rupees. Then like an ordinary multiplication, we know how to multiply. First with fifth table, then with second table, last also again with second table only. 5 table, 5 5s are 25, 2 is written in the rough, 5 is taken, 5 2s are 10, 10 and 2 12, 5 6 are 30, 30 and 1 31. Am I correct? Into symbol under the first digit. Then 2 table, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 and that 1 addition 5, 2 6s are 12. Am I correct? Now into symbol under this first digit for the second row. Then 2 table, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, 2 6s are is 12. Now time for us to add all the numbers or the digits what we got in the 3 rows. Then 5 is taken, 2 and 0 addition is 2, 1 and 5 addition is 6, 6 and 0 is 6 only, 3 and 2 5, 5 and 5 10, 1 is carried here, 1 and 2 3, 3 and 1 4, again this 1 is taken. Now finally we got an answer in the rupees, that is 1,40,625 rupees. 1,40,625 rupees. That is the total fee collection for the 1 month of time for 625 students. Is it clear now, students? So in this way we have to do the sums given. I hope all the teachings are very clear. You have to take care of listening and even writing. I am going to send this photo also for you. Okay, students? Then with other parts of teaching we will meet in the next class. Okay? Thank you.